वफाकी वज़ीर ख़जाना मोहम्मद औरंगज़ेब ने कराची में सऊदी सरमायाकारों से वर्चुअल खिताब में कहा कि सरमायाकारों को साजगार माहौल की फराहमी हुकूमत की जिम्मेदारी है। हुकूमती काविशों से मुल्क ने मुआशी इस्तेहकाम हासिल किया। 3 बड़ी रेटिंग एजेंसीज ने पाकिस्तान के मुआशी अशारियों को मुस्बत करार दिया।
The Prime Minister and this administration is very clear that it's really the private sector which has to lead the country. And the role of the government, of all of us, is about to provide the ecosystem. We have the 3 global rating agencies now well aligned with respect to taxation, with respect to energy, and for that, the structural reforms are underway. A number of you are involved in those discussions because the Prime Minister is very clear that everything that we are doing in the government has to be in a consultative process, that we are very grateful to Excellency Al-Tawajri and his team, with whom we are now working at a more strategic level. First of all, trying to learn from the Vision 2030 of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. We are very grateful to his team, especially with respect to our export-led growth. The cabinet formally approved historical security pact, which was signed Royal Highness Excellency the Crown Prince and Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif.